Yeah. So good evening, everyone. After a lot of days, I thought of creating one more video, which is related to Bank Nifty Premiometer version 2. So initially, I was little bit skeptical about whether to create this video or not. Uh, but anyway, the strategy is growing its effectiveness. The fan following of this strategy is growing day by day. काफी सारे डाउट्स आते हैं, काफी सारे लोग पूछते हैं ग्रुप में कि एग्जैक्टली बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियमीटर वर्जन 2 है क्या, वर्जन 1 तो पहले ही था बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियमीटर, सो हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर version 1 and what is version 2 is all about, what is target, what is stop. So all these things are there in the strategy page, but still I thought like any other strategy, I'll create one more video for Bank Nifty Premiometer version 2, which will explain each and everything, what the characteristic of the strategy, a complete explanation video which will be helpful for all the users. Okay, so the format is same. So the topics to discuss will be, so as the name indicates, Bank Nifty Premiometer means हम लोग Bank Nifty option selling में ही काम करेंगे. This strategy is all about Bank Nifty option selling, only one instrument. Okay, so that is the first and foremost point. The second thing is this is a trend neutral strategy. So what is a trend neutral strategy? I would say the nature of the strategy means theme of the strategy. So why I cover theme of the strategy and on every strategy explanation, because while creation of the strategy itself, I usually note this point that what exactly the strategy is going to do for me, means which kind of strategy I am designing. So on that day, means from before the designing itself, मैं पहले एक बार लिस्ट कर देता हूँ कि what will be the factors I will be including in the strategy. So that is theme of the strategy. So पहले मुझे बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शन सेलिंग में ही काम करना है, तो पॉइंट इज क्लियर. मुझे एक ट्रेंड न्यूट्रल स्ट्रेटेजी बनाना है. आई नीड टू क्रिएट वन ट्रेंड न्यूट्रल स्ट्रेटेजी where it will never be naked. In case of trending day, usually you will see in many strategies, काफी सारी strategy, even market star की भी काफी सारी strategy हैं जहां पे कि after a certain point of time कि अगर मार्केट बढ़ती जा रही, if market is going upside, then we cut the position of call, because the call position is giving a good amount of loss. So up to an extent we can the put compensate that kind of loss. After that we need to cut the position, otherwise it will give us the huge loss. So in that case what was happening, the problem, so that cutting of the position, एक साइड को कट करके दूसरे साइड में नेकेड होके हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे, तो that was the case in Bank Nifty Premiometer version 1. Okay, but what was the problem in case of market reversals? In case of market reversal, हमने कॉल का तो पोजीशन काट लिया है, तो जब अगर मार्केट अगर रिवर्स हो जाता है, द मतलब डाउन की तरफ फिर से आता है, तो जो प्रीमियम घटे होंगे प्रीमियम का, the premium erosion what would have been happened in put, so that would have been again increased, फिर से बढ़ जाएगा put. तो उस केस में क्या होता था, अगर मार्केट अगर रिवर्स करता है तो हमको लॉस काफी फिर से बड़ा होता जाता है. ठीक है, बिकॉज हमने कॉल काट दिया है और पुट नेकेड था, और अगर मार्केट सेम केस, अगर मार्केट नीचे नीचे जा रहा है एंड टू कट डाउन आवर लॉसेस वी हैव कट आवर पुट लेग्स, ओनली कॉल लेग वाज प्रेजेंट एंड देन मार्केट वुड हैव बीन रिवर्स्ड. तो उस केस में खाली कॉल जो रहता है, कॉल का प्रीमियम फिर से बढ़ता जाता है, एंड इन दैट रिवर्सल केसेस वी मेक ए गुड अमाउंट ऑफ लॉस. सो दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम इन Bank Nifty Premiometer version 1. So that is why in the version 2, what was my intention? My intention was to create one trend neutral strategy. Okay, so in trend neutral strategy, it never gets naked. Matlab always the call and put legs, number of call options, lots, and number of lots in put options, those will be always same. कभी भी कोई पोजीशन कटेगा नहीं, मतलब अनबैलेंस्ड होगा नहीं. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि अगर अनबैलेंस नहीं हो रहा है, अगर हम पोजीशन नहीं काटते हैं, तो ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट हाउ वी आर हैंडलिंग, सो दैट आई विल कवर इन स्ट्रेटेजी एक्सप्लेनेशन. ओके, सो बेसिकली हियर वी आर क्रिएटिंग द लॉजिक ऑफ द स्ट्रेटेजी, देन वी विल क्रिएट द एंटायर स्ट्रेटेजी. ओके, सो मुझे एक ट्रेंड न्यूट्रल स्ट्रेटेजी चाहिए और मुझे कभी भी नेकेड नहीं होना है, मतलब बोथ साइड लेग हमेशा मुझे ओपन रखना है. ओके, The third thing is the theme of any option selling strategy is always earn theta decay. But when we keep one leg open, मतलब एक लेग कट करके दूसरा लेग जब नेकेड में ओपन रखते हैं, तो दैट इज काइंड ऑफ डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रेटेजी. ओके, दैट इज काइंड ऑफ डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रेटेजी. तो वहां पे भी थीटा decay हमें मिलता है, पर those kind of strategies are not dependent upon only theta decay, because after the strategy goes naked, in that case they can get lot of premiums when the market continue to trend in that same direction, the favorable direction. Okay, but since this strategy is completely market neutral and always paired, so we solely depend upon theta decay in this strategy. Okay, तो थीटा decay रहेगा. डेफिनेटली हमारा एम जो रहेगा ये स्ट्रेटेजी का थीटा decay हमको गेन करना है. ओके, कैप्चर करना है. एंड द एवरेज मंथली रिटर्न एटलीस्ट 8 to 10% हमारा होना चाहिए, एटलीस्ट ऑन द पेपर, सो दैट आफ्टर डिडक्शन ऑफ द स्लिपेज एंड कॉस्ट एटलीस्ट द नेट ROI will come around 5 to 6%. Okay, so that's what my expectation from this strategy while designing, कि 8 to 10% तो रहना ही रहना चाहिए रिटर्न ऑन एन एवरेज. मतलब in some months it will give you 12% around, in some months it will give you 7 to 8%, in some months it will give you 2-3%, but on an average it should give 8 to 10% gross, so that the net will come around 5% around. Okay, monthly risk, agar the net profit is coming around 5%, so the strategy should not give any point of time 5 to 7, more than 5 to 7%. If the drawdown will be more than 5 to 7% in this strategy, then it will not a workout strategy. मतलब ये strategy पे हम workout कर नहीं सकते, क्योंकि अब मान लो कि कोई यूजर, let's say one user has subscribed the strategy and started deploying the strategy when the equity is at peak. मतलब जो profit दिया रहेगा career, मतलब throughout the journey, strategy जो profit दिया रहेगा, suppose at the peak of the profit somebody has subscribed or deployed. Okay, from that point, when the strategy continuously gives some amount of loss, so till what time the person can sustain in that strategy, so वो 5 to 7% तक ही सस्टेन कर सकते हैं, उससे ज्यादा सस्टेन हो नहीं पाएगा. मतलब मान लो कि 5 lakhs capital is the capital requirement for this strategy, 7% means it is around 35,000. 5 लाख से 4.65 हो गया है, देन कॉस्टिंग भी जाएगा, ब्रोकरेज और अदर कॉस्ट भी रहेगा, तो वो 10,000 और काट लो, तो 4.55 अराउंड हो गया, मतलब 45,000 अराउंड गॉन फ्रॉम द यूजर. So after that user will not sustain in this strategy. So that is why my requirement is within 5 to 7% on paper monthly risk रहना चाहिए, not more than that, and this 5 to 7% from the peak. Suppose some user has already gained some profit and then the drawdown is coming, obviously it will not be a very panicking situation for the user. But कोई अगर peak में क्या रहेगा, nobody can guarantee that where exactly the user is entering. So the drawdown is always calculated from the peak. Okay, ओवरऑली क्योंकि हम कभी भी नेकेड होते ही नहीं है, इट इज ऑलवेज पेयर्ड, so the risk will be very low in this strategy, whereas the profit which is gross profit 8 to 10% is a medium kind of profit. We can't say it is a very good or very huge kind of profit, but since the risk is low, so you can't expect even a huge kind of return. The profit will be medium. Okay, so this is the logic of the strategy. So whatever Bank Nifty V2 I have designed, so it satisfy each of the conditions. Okay, let's say then how it satisfied each of the condition. My third slide will be the strategy explanation. Okay, so any strategy, the very first thing is when it starts. Okay, the very first thing is when it starts. So it starts on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, the strategy starts just after 9:15, means around 9:16. Okay, why it starts so early? Because this Tuesday to Thursday, so there we get natural erosion. मतलब ये तीनों जितने हम पास जाएंगे एक्सपायरी के, तो the erosion starts from the beginning of the day itself. Okay, of course there will be some volatile day during Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday also. From those volatile days will start from the beginning itself, but I play with the data. As per data, data says me that within these 3 days the volatility, the beginning volatilities are less, okay, and the natural erosion starts from the start of the day, okay. 80% of the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays are like that. So that's perfectly fine for me. So that's why I start early in these 3 days. And Monday and Friday I little bit give some delay, because 10 minutes delay is required as per my data analysis. Because from Thursday to when we come to Friday क्या होता है, वीक का स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे, मतलब फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द एक्सपायरी वीक होता है, ठीक है। तो मार्केट ढूंढता रहता है, मार्केट सर्च पर है, चेक्स पर है ट्रेंड, क्लियर कट ट्रेंड। तो क्योंकि पूरा 5 दिन टाइम हमारे पास रहता है डिके होने के लिए, तो उतना ज्यादा डिके होता नहीं है शुरुआत में, ओके। सो टू गेट दैट ट्रेंड, मार्केट बिकम्स लिटिल बिट वोलेटाइल यूजुअली ऑन फ्राइडे, ओके। मोस्टली आपने सुना होगा ब्लैक फ्राइडे और रेड फ्राइडे और ब्लडी मंडे। सो यू विल नॉट सी हेल ट्यूसडे और वेरी नेस्टी वेडनेसडे। सो ऑल द वेडनेसडे का सेकंड हाफ में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होता है, क्योंकि एक्सपायरी का ट्रेंड डिसाइड होता है फ्रॉम वेडनेसडे सेकंड हाफ, ठीक है। बट यूजुअली मॉर्निंग में मंडे और फ्राइडे, और मंडे में भी डिले देता हूं मैं। क्यों देता हूं? क्योंकि विद इन सैटरडे एंड संडे, so that is weekend, right? So within weekend, if some news comes or any XYZ thing happens, then you can see some gap ups and gap downs or some nasty moves Monday opening, okay. So on these 2 days, Friday and Monday, it starts at 9:25, okay. बैंक निफ्टी का ऑप्शन सेलिंग स्ट्रेटेजी, तो बैंक निफ्टी सेल करेंगे, एंड 3 pairs ऑफ पुट एंड कॉल, दैट मींस 3 पुट सेल करेंगे, 3 कॉल सेल करेंगे, ओके। The third point is along with the spot movement. तो इसमें this strategy is such a beautiful strategy. It doesn't depend upon option prices. Freak trades हो गया, ये जो भी हो गया, ये सब option prices पे होता है। Actually spot movement उतना होता नहीं है, okay. Spot doesn't move with freak trades. Freak trades always plays with the option prices. So this particular strategy is free from, means I can say there may be some XYZ thing which is not known to us, but at present whatever the freak trades we have seen, so those freak trades happen by manipulating the option prices, not the spot. Spot doesn't move like a huge 10% spike kind of thing. So this particular strategy completely designed in such a way that all the adjustments, all the movements will be done as per the spot prices movement, okay. So along with the spot movement, जब भी हमको trending market मिलेगा, market is moving somewhere, so all the adjustments after 150 points or 200 point, 250 point or 300 point, so there are certain checks according to the market movement. We do some adjustments here. अगर बढ़ते ही जा रहा है, अगर ऊपर जा रहा है, if market is going upside, then definitely our puts are generating money and calls are giving us loss. So whenever market is moving upside, we book our put one by one, not all together. We book our put one by one as per the market movement, and we shift our calls one by one upside. Call one by one upside and put one by one again in our favorable direction. तो हम जब 100 पॉइंट का पुट मूव करते हैं तो हमें थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम मिल जाता है, एंड इफ द ट्रेंड continues in that direction, upside direction, then the new put which got added, so that gives us more profit compared to the other 2 put whichever initially at the time of entry was with us, okay. Again थोड़ा और मूव कर गया, एक कॉल और भी काट देंगे और थोड़ा सा कम प्रीमियम वाला कॉल ले लेंगे एंड थोड़ा सा ज्यादा प्रीमियम वाला पुट ले लेंगे. So accordingly the adjustments are designed. Similarly in case of downward trending day, so how it adjusts, कि थोड़ा सा नीचे जा रहा है तो एक कॉल पे हमको प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है तो एक कॉल को काट देंगे, क्योंकि कॉल में प्रॉफिट मिल रहा था, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम होगा जिसमें थोड़ा सा आगे सामने वाला कॉल ले लेंगे, देन थोड़ा सा एक पुट को काट के थोड़ा सा कम वाला पुट ले लेंगे. सो लाइक दिस द स्ट्रेटेजी ट्राई टू एडजस्ट up to 1% plus or minus. So that is the exit point. The strategy exits complete. अब कितना हम adjust करके, अगर market अगर 1% ऊपर चला जाता है या फिर 1% नीचे चला जाता है, that means that is a completely trending day. That is not a suitable day for the strategy. which is designed to handle, which will never be naked, which is designed to handle range bound scenarios. Okay, so in that case, that situation will not be a sustainable situation for a market neutral strategy. So in that case, what happens by adjustments? What is the reason of the adjustment? By this, by doing this kind of adjustments, the strategy try to cut the loss, try to minimize the loss. Baki, during our favorable days, which is you might have seen this kind of data or fact that out of 10 days, 7 days are range bound days, which are the favorable days for this strategy. Only 2 to 3 days are highly trending days, where we will cut our losses. We'll not give complete full high amount of stop loss. We'll give little loss. In many cases, I have seen when the range exits, मतलब 1% ऊपर या 1% नीचे चला जाएगा. In that case, the way the adjustments are done, in some cases we have seen the entire strategy, when it exits at the range exit, which is the stop loss for the strategy, at that time the strategy is plus or minus 100 or 200 rupees, even positive also. So you can't say whenever the range exit happens, always the strategy will incur loss. The strategy will cut down the loss, or the strategy will incur even little bit profit also sometimes. Okay, so that is the main forte of the strategy कि unfavorable condition पे हम कम loss देंगे और favorable conditions पे जम के थीटा खा लेंगे. थीटा ईटर इज द नेम. ओके, बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम ईटर. तो प्रीमियम की जम की धुलाई अगर होगी तो सब कैप्चर कर लेंगे. और इन केस ऑफ अनफेवरेबल डेज, वी विल कट डाउन आवर लॉसेस. ओके, दैट इज द थीम ऑफ द स्ट्रेटेजी. ओके, so what is the counter wise target? So each counter has 5,500 target. So why I kept this 5,500? Again, I have checked with 5,000, 6,000. So there are many factors I have checked, and finally I have decided, let's na tera na mera 5,500 में done करते. Okay, not like that. Actually, the data suggests 5.5k was little bit more ROI was there. So that is why I have confirmed 5.5k will be our target. Okay, so there is no stop loss, as I already told you. There is no price wise adjustment. It is spot wise adjustment. So there is no stop loss according to the leg wise stop loss. If somebody will ask, no, there is no leg wise stop loss. There is no strategy wise stop loss, but there is a day wise stop loss I have kept. So day wise maximum stop loss can be 10,000. Okay, the strategy can incur maximum 10,000 rupees, which is the 2% net loss from the capital. Okay, so that, because there is always tomorrow. If one day is not favoring to you, you need not to firefight, or you need not to मतलब जब तक है जान मैं लड़ते रहूंगा, ये टाइप का इमोशन मार्केट के लिए कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये टाइप का इमोशन. सो इफ some day is not favorable to you, so better to escape from that day. There is always tomorrow. Okay, so that is maximum 2% loss per day. And since adjustments are done as per the spot movement, so mostly people will give 100 rupees plus or minus per PNL ho sakta hai, but mostly people will get equal PNL, like other our dynamic strategy, like index premium meter, bank nifty premium meter, junior nifty premium meter. So those strategies, they actually the adjustments are done on the option prices. So user to user, there are many PNL difference possible, but here, since the all the adjustments as well as the target, everything are done as per the spot moment, there is 95% chance that all the users will get similar PNL. Okay, आपने group में भी देखा होगा, in the group hardly anyone asks question about this V2 PNLs, because mostly the PNL matches 100 200 here and there. Everyone can understand that this is slippage. Okay, but in case of leg wise, किसी का stop loss कटा है, किसी का stop loss नहीं कटा है, in dynamic other dynamic strategies that happens. So in case of V2, that also doesn't happen. Okay, now coming to yeah, I'll stop for some questions here. I would check quickly if there is no raised hands. If anyone has any question in the strategy explanation, so they can ask in Hindi or English. They can ask some questions. I'll wait for 1 minute. No questions. I have explained very beautifully, I think. I would assume that. Okay. Yeah, moving on then. Okay. So moving on to the stats. Okay. So here the capital requirement is around 5 lakhs to 5 lakh 10,000 as per Zerodha, as per other Offstra and all. I have checked the three pair of Bank Nifty, how much is the margin required, how much is the minimum capital required. That comes around 4.8 to 4.9 lakhs. So I have added 10-20,000 more, so that in case of volatility or in case of some drawdown period, you can adjust your capital. But still, I would recommend keep 10-20,000 even more, whatever has been mentioned. So this is kind of, you can say, minimum capital requirement. Still, for comfortable usage without any RMS error, keep 10-20,000 more just for safety purpose. Usually, you will not get any kind of error with 5.1 lakhs also. Okay. So this data I have taken as per the backtesting data, because the strategy gone live in the month of October. I don't have much live data, though 2 months live data we have, that I can show you here. That's the live data. See, there are number of live deployments actually 75 थे आज. कुछ लोगों ने pause, पता नहीं क्यों ये होता है, people pause their strategy, I don't know why. But anyway, the live deployments are growing day by day. So see, the curve is very smooth. Means these are very small. Means when we take profit, we take huge profit. When we give loss, then we give little loss. So that's what the strategy logic also, I have, whatever I have explained, you can understand. So the similar way, exactly as per my expectation, the strategy is performing like that. मतलब profit देते वक्त धनाधन profit ले रहा है strategy, profit loss देते time काफी कम loss देके फिर से ऊपर उठ रहा है, फिर से ऊपर उठ रहा है. So this is a very smooth curve and very less risky strategy, I would say, where this kind of graphs are very rare to see. Okay. So far so good. And in case of Sharpe ratio, if I'll see, 7.15 is a very good Sharpe ratio if a strategy already ran for around 2.5 months. Okay. So the return wise expectation, see, in October I started at the end, so no need to worry that why October months. See, I have started this strategy from October 27. Okay, the strategy started on October 27, and within last 4 days of the October itself, the strategy has gained 3.47%. So throughout the October, I have already checked, it could have given a very handsome double-digit growth. Okay, in the November month, the strategy actually performed very, very well. It has given 11.94%. Today's figure actually not added till now. It will be visible by tomorrow. So actually, the strategy today also, the strategy has given around 1% profit. So the PNL percentage in December already within 10 days 7.5% already. I am expecting even double-digit growth in December also. My expectation from the strategy while designing was only 8% around gross. Okay, but it is giving double-digit growth, which is pretty good. Okay. And coming back to the backtesting result, the backtesting result says the growth is even average monthly return is 12%. So a very pleasant surprise, as well as a very satisfactory thing is our live data also matching the way the backtest has been performed. Okay, so backtesting average monthly ROI was 12%. So that was commendable ROI as per the backtesting in a market neutral strategy. Okay. And then total ROI was again 147% since 2020 October to till date, around 12 months data I have captured. So max profit was 35,000 during the month of February and March, where VIX was high, the premiums were very high, and premiums were drastically declining. So during that phase, in a single day, 35,000 has been earned. But loss as well, already I told you the loss is limited to 10,000. So that's where the loss is, max loss. Average daily profit, matlab, sometimes 5,000, sometimes minus, sometimes 2,000. So on that way, since last 260 trading days, the average PNL is 2,888, which is pretty good, which is more than 0.5% average, which is pretty good. Okay. Drawdown is also not much as per the back testing, minus 6.3, matlab 5 to 7% was my maximum drawdown. That's what I was planning. So drawdown was also acceptable as per my logic, 5 to 7%. Just look at this data, drawdown as per the back testing result 6.3, whereas average return is almost double the drawdown. Average monthly return is 12%, drawdown is 6%, which is almost double double the drawdown is the average monthly ROI. And so far so good. In last 2.5 months we have seen only 2% drawdown, which is pretty good. But I am mentally prepared as per the backtesting data. At least 7% around drawdown can happen in this strategy. No need to panic, sir. इतना अच्छा काम कर रहा था, अब क्या हो गया? Strategy को change कर दो. People give lot of suggestions in group, but as a thick-skinned creator, I just ignore. Not I don't ignore. All the suggestions are always welcome, but I counter explain that no need to panic. No, yesterday also somebody was suggesting, sir, Nifty Prima Meter Junior is giving me loss. So with one, if one counter stop loss happens, if one day loss happens, if somebody is claiming that strategy is not working or we need to change, so this is not the correct way to handle. So anyway, mentally I am prepared that the strategy can give 7% around drawdown. Okay. So coming to the last, favorable market condition and unfavorable market condition. So every strategy, when the user uses any strategy, so they should have a very clear-cut understanding that किस case में market, किस condition पे ये अच्छा काम कर सकता है. So narrow range bound is the सोने पे सुहागा, means kind of the golden day of the strategy is narrow range bound. In case of medium range bound also it works very well because we give plus or minus 1%. Even if market spikes to 200 point to 300 points up and down, then also it will be within plus or minus 1%. So within, in that case also the strategy works very well. Within high VIX markets, when the premiums are high, like I told you in February and March, so in those kind of high VIX market also it works very well. Okay, because at the end of the day premium ko gitna to hai hi. Okay, so we try to capture that premium very well with our adjustments. Okay. The only unfavorable condition I can see from the backtesting data as well as last 2.5 months data, if market suddenly goes up by 400 500 points and then market reverses 400 500 points, so those kind of things are very rare, but it can happen in the on October last week, I think. Yeah, October last week, I think, just before Diwali. So market went down 1,000 points and Bank Nifty went down 1,000 points, then came up 1,000 points. So those are really drastic scenarios. So for that only we have kept our max stop losses 2%. 2% देके निकल जाते हैं ना, ठीक है. मार्केट फेवरेबल नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं है, तो खर्चा तो देना पड़ेगा ही, बाकी दिन तो लूट के लेंगे ही हम, ठीक है. So in that way only it can be unfavorable. Otherwise other market conditions are pretty well. Okay. What can be the combination pair? That is also one of the common question. Combination pair मतलब V2 तो चल ही रहा है, Bank Nifty Prima Meter V2. So उसके साथ the better pair will be Bank Nifty Prima Meter V1. Because this, as I already told in my explanation video also in V1, and because it goes naked in case of trending days. So trending days में अगर यहाँ पे loss को cut करने की कोशिश रहता है in case of V2, in case of V1, the strategy try to maximize the profit in case of trending market. Okay, so both are actually complementing each other. Many people gave also this feedback to me that V1 and V2 both Bank Nifty Prima Meter are complementing each other. Like आज ही देख लो, means today in second half, the second counter of the Bank Nifty Prima Meter version 2 was going pretty well. It was giving me 2,000 and 2,500 around profit in the second counter, and suddenly it started reducing. Why? Because market goes high, market goes up like anything in the second half. Whereas this strategy, Bank Nifty Prima Meter version 1 was giving only 3,000 to 4,000 profit, and when it started moving up, it cut down, it cut all the call leg and only put leg was on, and the puts were have given very good amount of profit, and total profit in Bank Nifty Prima Meter version 1 is around 9,000 today. Okay, so that's a plus. So you can pair up with version 1. Okay, so that's all for me from my side about Bank Nifty Premium version 2. I have covered most of the things. I would wait for some questions. Otherwise, we can close the today's discussion. Okay, please share the PNL starts of anyone live auto. So that will not be correct thing, but anyway, I would so. Okay. I would go to my strategies and then हाँ V2 बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर कहाँ है? हाँ इधर नहीं, ये तो कुछ अलग है. So V2 बैंक निफ्टी, yeah, here. So all deployed. So I would say means this is one of the premium subscriber from us, and he deploys actually much capital. Okay, so this is live auto in Zerodha. So he has gained till now 6,57,399 rupees, but his this thing his counters also means deployment also a little bit higher, 10x around. Okay, 12x around. So in that case, he is gaining very comfortably, very consistently. And then one more. This is Aam Janta type Mango people. So 2x, 1x is more of the Aam Janta common people they deploy. So he has also earned around 8%, 44,000 means 9% around from this strategy already. There is one more user. She has also gained 37,000 means it is around 7.5%. So yeah, one more user also, he has gained 1,46,000. So there are many such user who are gaining good amount of money. So no need to worry about that. The strategy has already gained around 40 after today's score, it will be 45 lakhs total profit for the users. Okay, all total user whoever deployed, so they have gained around 45 lakhs of the profit. So strategy is going pretty well. Okay. Usman, what about Nifty V2? I'll create one more video about Nifty V2 also, and the explanation will be similar. Only in case of Bank Nifty, in place of Bank Nifty, we will use Nifty. Okay, so most of the thing are same, the explanation wise. Yes, recording started. A query on max stop loss. How many times this minus 2%? So minus 2% has been hit since last 2.5 months. This maximum stop loss has hit only once for me. So that is a good. So that means actually this is little bit rare that max stop loss is hitting. Yesterday it was about to hit max stop loss, and then strategy recovered and closed. The second counter was almost giving loss, and 10,000 was about to hit, and then it came down, and finally the strategy closed at cost. So that's the magic of the strategy. Okay, within 1 year, if I'll say it happened 8 to 10 times, what I remember from the backtesting data. Okay. SEBI news effect, I don't want to comment. Whatever it will happen, we will, Market Star will try all sort of things to get the strategy clarified, means registered in SEBI if some regulation will come. Okay, how much multiplier is recommended for this to realize 3 to, sir, with even 1x after deducting all the costs, you can easily get 3 to 5% what you are asking in Zerodha. Okay, but if you little bit increase 2x or 3x, so in that case, since Zerodha is charging as per the order, not on the lot specific, so you can actually reduce your costs in there, and your break even will reduce, and you will get even 7 to 8% also in Zerodha if you increase little bit 2-3x around. Okay. Is there any leg-wise stop loss? I already told it is not there. Leg-wise stop loss. There is only spot-wise movement. What about and कितने years का data backtest का लेते हो? तो backtest का data actually मैं अक्टूबर से usually मैं लेता हूँ सारे strategy का. क्यों लेता हूँ मैं अक्टूबर से? क्योंकि before October, if you'll see, the corona effect and corona VIX volatility was still there. And corona happens, or this kind of pandemic happens once in 100 years. I have already tested from 2020 January to 2020 October also. पर वो टाइप के डाटा को देख के आप कंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते कि मुझे ये स्ट्रेटेजी चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए. आई हैव सीन मेनी यूजर्स कि वो पूछते हैं कि सर कोरोना के वोलेटिलिटी टाइम पे जब 60-70 हो गया था विक्स, तो उस टाइम पे कैसे परफॉर्म किया था. मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगा, पर वो डाटा का आप करोगे क्या. ठीक है, वो डाटा का आपका करोगे क्या, क्योंकि 100 साल में एक बार जो चीज होता है उसको देख के अगर हम वो स्ट्रेटेजी को रिजेक्ट या सिलेक्ट करेंगे, ठीक है, हाउ इट विल बी ए वाइज मैन डिसीजन, आई डोंट नो. एज पर मी दिस इज नॉट ए वाइज मैन डिसीजन, पर मेरे पास डाटा है और it has given satisfactory result within that 10 months also. But अभी जो मैंने green sheet में जो stats दिखा रहा था, that stats has been taken from 2020 October to till that means it has 14 months data. Okay. Another question is safest strategy in MarketStar portfolio. Sir, ऐसा कोई safe या this kind of safe or risky strategy tag I don't prefer to give, because market has many colors, and I would say index premium meter is the most safest strategy. I would say I would explain means give you the proof also why index premium meter is most safe strategy. If you see this thing, so this data has been taken as per the last 12 months from 2020 October till date. So this is weekly, day by day average data for index premium meter or any other strategy. So since I am claiming that index premium meter is a very safe strategy, I would like to show the proof. Okay, Monday आप देख लो 67% win ratio, this is win rate. Okay, Tuesday 80% win rate, Wednesday 70%, 81%, then 62, then 7. So on an average index premium meter is giving more than 70% win percentage. मतलब 4 में से 3 दिन आपको ग्रीन एमटीएम देखने के लिए मिल जाएगा, बिकॉज 75% अराउंड विन रेट इसका चलता है. आउट ऑफ 4 days 3 days विल बी प्रॉफिट, 1 day मे बी लॉस. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू डे बाय डे रिटर्न वाइज डाटा. इफ यू सी इंडेक्स प्रीमियम रिटर्न वाइज ऑल्सो मंडे टू एवरी डे 0.5%, एंड वी थर्सडे तो होता ही है इंडेक्स प्रीमियम का, तो एवरी डे इट इज गिविंग a very good average ROI, which is 0.5%. Okay, so that is why as per the win ratio and as per the return, I would say index premium is the first strategy to start with in MarketStar's portfolio. Okay, what else question is spot? Yeah, next question is small suggestion on adjustment V2. I see strategy currently let run all 3 lots on loss making side until second or third adjustment. Can we consider making 1 lot gets adjusted during 2? Yeah, sir, this suggestion you have already given to me in Telegram. I have explained you that means I already checked and I was not comfortable with the suggestion. So at present I have noted your suggestion, but I will not do this do the change right now, because the strategy is doing very well. If any drawdown comes or if any changes needed, then at that time I can change the strategy, but not now. Spot wise means it is based on technique. Sir, spot means Nifty Bank Nifty index. Nifty और Bank Nifty index को spot बोलते हैं. ठीक है, फ्यूचर नहीं, निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी जो इंडेक्स रहता है ना उसको स्पॉट बोलते हैं. ओके, Mr. Bhavin, if one has deployed Bank Nifty consistent earner, is Bank Nifty version 2 recommended as diversification? Sir, you can do the diversification. I would say I would always say instead of Bank Nifty consistent earner, I would recommend to use Bank Nifty premium meter with 3x OTM hedge. So the capital will be same 3 pair like Bank Nifty consistent earner take. So same number of pairs it will take, same capital, everything same. I would recommend Bank Nifty premium meter version 2 is much more safer and more ROI based strategy compared to Bank Nifty consistent earner. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जब आप hedge लगा दोगे, OTM hedge when you add in V2 Bank Nifty premium meter V2, so in that case your ROI will come around 18 to 20%. I have already checked this, which is much more better than the consistent earner. अब consistent earner inbuilt OTM hedge है, so that is why the ROI looks more attractive, but actually Bank Nifty premium meter version 2 is much better than consistent earner. Okay, so that will not be considered as a diversification if somebody wants both. uh, it will be kind of similar strategy, I would say. Okay, so you can choose either or if you are, yeah, one more suggestion I can give you, because Bank Nifty consistent earner runs with only one counter per day. So once Bank Nifty premium consistent earners profit has been booked, you have already 4.5k in your hand. So then you can shift to Bank Nifty Premium Meter version 2. Means you have both the things in your portfolio. Once Bank Nifty consistent earner will exit, at that time you shift to Bank Nifty Premium Meter version 2. So that throughout the day, whatever premium erosion will be there, that will be captured by Bank Nifty Premium Meter version 2. Okay. So any logic for 3 pairs at once, it increase the capital requirement, maybe 1 pair. Sir, 3 pair में मैंने बताया ना, when I use 3 pair, so in that case I get a chance to adjust one by one. I don't shift all the positions at a time. I shift one by one. So that luxury is not there in when you use 1 pair, means 1 lot. So 1 lot means either you have to close everything or you have to open everything. So in that case, if volatility will be there, it was getting difficult for me to adjust the positions. Okay, so 3 pairs, one by one, it will give me more flexibility to adjust. Okay. What is the edge in this strategy? It has C and OE legs, C and P legs. I would, yeah, with individual legs, with individual stop loss, like any other normal. Yeah, I think you have joined late. There is no leg wise stop loss. The strategy never goes naked. So there are other Nirmal strategy and all. I'm not sure what you are talking about, but I think you have joined late. So that is why you are asking this thing. I have already explained. You can watch this video. I'll upload in YouTube again. So you can watch this video again. I have already explained how it is pretty much different throughout the market, Tradetron marketplace. I don't think somebody has created this. I'm not telling my strategy is very better, Bank Nifty Premium Meter version 2, but this kind of strategy is not there right now in Tradetron marketplace. Okay, so it is pretty much different. It you can't compare with anyone right now at this point. Okay, should I shift Bank Nifty Premium, Bank Nifty V2, Nifty V2, and IPX to Bank Nifty V1? No, sir. I would recommend Vijayji. I would recommend the first option is better. Stick to the first option. Okay. Can I use index premium? Yeah. Along with index premium, this Bank Nifty Premium version 2 is a very, very good combination. That's what I can see since last few months. It is a very good combination. You can go ahead, whoever is asking this thing. I would say a couple of last questions and then I'll close the topic. Sir, please give gap of 1 minute in all strategies, so we'll not get any error. Look, IDXP. Sir, this thing we have already discussed. Gap of 1 minute means what you meant to say. um, if I'll give 1 minute, you will means there will be user who will talk about let's give 2 minutes. If I'll give 2 minutes, let's give 3 minutes. So anyway, on Monday and Friday, I have given 10 minutes. On Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, volume is more. Premium erosion starts from the day start. So I will continue to do whatever I'll means the strategies will continue to behave the same way, the way it is behaving right now. Okay. I'm using Bank Nifty C and V2 in 50% ratio. Also started using C. Sir, I have already, Bhavinji, I have already explained you. So better to use Bank Nifty C in the beginning. When it will close, shift to Bank Nifty P V2. That will be little bit more ROI, or as per my view, that will be good for you. Okay. Sir, what is the best combination for volatility and narrowed edge? For volatility and narrowed edge, you just deploy both the V2 as well as index premium. So within these 3 strategies, so Bank Nifty PE V2, Nifty PE V2, and index premium, these 3 strategy actually covers 90% of the market scenario. 90% of the market scenario. Okay. So if your capital doesn't support, then you can stick to Bank Nifty Premium Meter V2 and Index Premium Meter. These two will handle most of the market scenario. Already deployed IDXP and deployed Bank Nifty P V2 OTM hedges for diversification and What is, sir, more than enough. This is more than IDXP and Bank Nifty P V2, more than enough. No need to deploy any other thing. What will the combined capital needed with hedge for V2, 1x and IP? So I have already told this thing in the strategy page itself. For V2 with 3x OTM hedge, it will require around 3 lakhs capital with buffer. And IP2x will require around, if you use OTM hedge, then it will require around 4. So 7 lakhs will be enough for 2x IP and 1x V2 BNFP V2 with OTM hedge. Sir, there is no such, what is the best combination? So I already told you most of the market conditions are covered in index pre-motor and Bank Nifty PE V2. Okay, with that will cover even volatility. Okay, regarding OTM has is 25 strike is the so the way I have designed, I have in case of my market star OTM hedge strategies, all the strike prices are designed as per the strikes. Means put strikes are 3000 points away and call strikes are 2500 away from the spot. Okay, from the ATM strike. So that is how our OTM hedge strategies are designed. Premium wise, I tried, but Tretron has some issues giving correct premium wise strikes. Okay. So it was a nice interactive session. There are some more questions coming. In BNFP2, we can expect 8% ROI excluding brokerage. Yeah, you can expect. So far, so good. It has been proved also. You can expect that thing. Okay. So anyone want to means ask any other question, then definitely they can ask in the YouTube. Means after sharing the video, you can comment and ask the question, or I will means you are already part of Telegram channel, so you can ask the Telegram in Telegram group also. You can ask the question. Thanks for joining. It was a very good session. I hope this video will be helpful to everyone. Thank you very much.